Let's divide 482 by 2. Hey super math stars, Sparkles, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 482 by 2. First up, we look at the digit 4. We're going to use the digit 4 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? You got it, 2 times. And 2 times 2 is 4. We write that right below the 4. Now we subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0. Easy peasy. Great job, you're doing fantastic. We've finished with the 4, time to move on to the next digit. Next, we bring down the 8, now we have 8 to work with. We bring down the next digit 8 to join our remainder 0, so now we have 8. How many times does 2 go into 8? Think of your 2 times tables. That's right, it's 4 times, because 2 times 4 is 8. Let's subtract 8 minus 8 equals 0, we're on a roll. Awesome work, you're crushing this. We've handled the 8, just one more digit to go. Last but not least, we bring down the 2, our final digit. We bring down the last digit 2 to join the 0, now we have 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Super simple. It's 1 time because 2 times 1 equals 2. Subtracting 2 from 2 gives us 0, we've got no remainder. You did it, you solved the whole problem, high five, raised hand. And that's the end of our division. We've successfully divided 482 by 2. We did it, we divided 482 by 2 and got 241. Great job, everyone. See, long division isn't so scary after all, you tackled each step like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect and you're all becoming math wizards. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. Bye for now, waving hand.